Already started raining. There's a storm coming in as well. We had some very good weather in the last few days, so I want to go camping in the weekend, but just my luck, the weather turned upside down. It's gonna be bitter cold, it's gonna be raining, and at night it's gonna be snowing. So I have my kayak with me. I'm gonna paddle down this lake, set up my shelter, and get set up for the night. I'm gonna keep unpacking, and we'll set up the shelter and cook up some food. Already started raining. There's a storm coming in as well. To quickly get the shelter up. Found a dead birch tree standing right beside a pine tree. It's going to give us plenty of firewood for the night. Oh, they're pretty heavy. It's been raining for the last 2 hours now. I managed to get some firewood, but it's all wet. Hopefully we can get a fire going, otherwise it's going to be a pretty cold night. You can hear a bunch of wolves howling. It's only 6 o'clock. It's already pitch black, like you can't see anything. So I'm going to quickly cook up something since it's not raining so heavily right now. So for dinner I'm going to make up some fried chicken. So the grill is set up. Starting to rain again. It's pretty windy as well. For dinner, the menu is fried chicken. So I'm gonna cut a few small slices. Next I'm gonna put some oil and coat the chicken with this coating mix. Let's pour some oil in there. It's pretty funny with the rain. Water and oil getting mixed. Okay, start putting the chicken in there. So for this splattering will stop. Okay. Okay. The water is boiling now. Gonna throw in a couple of broccolis in the chicken. I think this should be cooked. It's nice and crispy. It's looking good. As you can see, it's getting wet from the rain. Just gonna quickly heat it up and go into the tent. Okay, let's try it out. It's good. It's a quick meal. Delicious, not so bad. Can you hear the rain? So peaceful, so quiet, and just raindrops. It's been raining for the last 3 hours non-stop. I'm lucky to set up the tent before this heavy rain started. My work outside is done, but I still have a lot of things to do. I recently bought this hot tent stove on Amazon. It's a foldable one. This is how it sets up. Sides open up like it's in place. Okay, so it's made of titanium, which can withstand heat better than stainless steel. So that's why I bought this one. The pipe has taken its shape, so I'm gonna put it up on the stove and get a fire going. The temperature is falling already. I just set up the stove pipe, set up the chimney, and start the fire and heat up the tent. So I cut all the logs I had into small pieces. Well, it's been a long day. I'm really tired. I'm gonna wake up to -8 degrees. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day. Good night. See you in the morning.
morning. Wow, it was a windy night. Whole night the wind was just blowing like crazy. It's pretty cold, and overall I kept the fire going as much as I could. But the morning looks pretty beautiful. It's breezy. I hope the water is not too rough for me to go back. But yeah, let's go outside and see what it looks like.
So for breakfast, just having a simple tortilla. Just gonna toast it over the fire a bit. Then I'll add some soft white cheese with some maple syrup. Simple breakfast. I'm adding some soft white cheese. Spread it out a bit. Some maple syrup. Let's mix it around a bit. So beautiful. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hunt you. This lake has lake trout, bass, and panfish. So panfish will bite all year. I'm not trying for that. Hoping to maybe a bass. Bass was stocked in this lake in the 1980s. Since then, bass population has gone up a lot. These lakes are known for bass fishing. I'm slowly packing up and break the camp. The wind is getting stronger, so I just want to head out before it gets really bad. Well, it's been an amazing trip. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for visiting my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe before you go. And give a thumbs up, leave a comment. It really helps the channel. Thank you so much. Take care.